This is a very interesting piece of technology. I am totally fascinated, and this company is our savior right now. But great, there's all kinds of benefits with 3D video. So they grab attention. They're easy to navigate. You can use a computer. You can use an iPhone. You can use your Apple, whatever you have. So this is a little picture, and this is a dollhouse view. I'm kind of circling around it. And notice it has this little blue dot. Hopefully you can see that. I put my cursor on top. And the way these are created and made is what's so amazing. So it does take a lot of time to create one of these. Our CMO, or Chief Matterport Officer, happens to be my wife, Lisa. Shout out for Lisa, because she is our shout out of the week. For this is working in a, remember we said, how do you sell things virtually right now? Well, here's one of the ways you do it. And why it takes so long to create one of these is, so Lisa would go to the home and she would start in this corner. I'm just putting my little laser pointer down there. She would set down this computer camera on a stand. She would leave the room, kind of like a dentist would when they were taking like an x-ray. They would leave the room. She would control the device. Meanwhile, that device is going to spin around and go up and back and around. It has all kinds of lenses on it, and it's going to capture images of this room. But she's not done yet. Then she comes back into the room and moves this dot from here 2.5 feet to that point. Then she leaves the room, controls the iPad. The computer camera starts doing its thing. She comes back and does it again and keeps going through this entire home, all the way through, so that when she's done, we send it to this company in California, and they create this amazing experience for us that people love because it's an open house for potential buyers. It's a 24/7 experience. You can go online and look at this home. So what I'd like to show you is you also can use, see down there, and I'm taking out my goggles because I have them as well. I want to show you that in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, there, you see a picture, and this is kind of what it looks like, but there are these goggles, and see how they have the glass? Hopefully you can see that. You wear them, you insert your phone right here, what I'm doing right in this picture, and you can look at this. This is an immersive experience, and this is unreal if you watch this. Again, does everyone have these goggles? No, but those that do love this technology and want to look at it in a virtual experience. So you're basically immersing yourself inside this home as if you're actually inside of it. It's just an amazing experience. And what I'd like to show you is, oh yeah, of course, it's easy to share with social media and all once we have these. So that's another benefit. Is I'm going to try to, I'd like to show you what one looks like. So if you bear with me a second, I'm basically going to the internet right now. And I'm going to go to this, remember I said 429 Conestoga Road? Well, here you go. I am going to show you live what this looks like. Samantha, can everyone see this? Okay, thumbs up. Okay, awesome. So we're live. We're on the internet right now. We're in this property. I just want to show you. See these little circles on the floor? Well, I'm moving you through. I've got to show you this kitchen because it's just an amazing kitchen. I'm kind of zooming in. Look at the granite. Look at the stainless appliances. The refrigerator. Look at all the recessed lighting. Now look, I can go up to the ceiling. I can go down to the floors. I can show you the hardwood. Oh, I'm going to jump into the dining room and show you the dining room. Look at this dining room. Okay, now I'm going to go back. Wait, what about the family room? I didn't show you that. There's an eat-in area. We're in the kitchen. So I'm live right now. This is exactly how somebody would experience. Now, you're looking at this in 3D, okay? So we're in the family room right now. Notice the fireplace. It has this beautiful door so you can get outside, and hardwood floors and 6-panel doors, and you're seeing this live. But how nice is this? We can jump from floor to floor. So down in this, see, I'm on the left-hand side of the screen. Hopefully you can see that. I'm now in the dollhouse view, And we're going to jump to we're going to go to floor number 2. Let's look upstairs for a second. And hopefully it will go. I don't know if my internet's a little slow, but oh, there we go. Look at that. We're now in the master bedroom. Look at the crown molding and the beautiful paint colors. And you can see into this house. And I'm going to spin it around a little bit because you got to see, what about the master bathroom? What's that look like? And there it is. Look at this beautiful master bathroom. So what I'm trying to show you is, this is the 3D. I'm on my website right now. That's just one place you could go. Again, there's lots of other places. And you just go into all-inclusive marketing and 3D home tours, and you can go right to that spot. I'm going to go back to the presentation now, hopefully, and tell me, Samantha, if we're good to go. Did it come back up? Oh, love this technology. So we're going to move ahead. And remember I said something about a floor plan? Well, the benefits of that camera, that computer camera, this is a benefit that's beyond my, it's just hard to imagine that this technology is able to do this. So we're now looking at a floor plan of this same property. We're back to, look at that, 429 Conestoga Road. There it is. And remember, we were in the kitchen. I'm going to start, the tour started right here where my little laser is. We kind of went into the breakfast room. I kind of turned you into the kitchen so you could see the granite and the island, the stainless appliances. I went back into the dining room, and then I came back to show you what the family room looked like. And then we went upstairs into the master bedroom. So what this technology has done is it's shooting lasers. So every one of these points that Lisa, our chief Matterport officer, shoots, this camera is shooting a laser point from this wall to this wall. Notice it says master bedroom. It's giving you the room dimensions. So we do not tell this computer anything about the rooms. It knows based on furniture and size. It's figured out every single room name. Notice it has, I didn't show you the laundry room. I didn't show you the other bath. There's some things obviously we didn't get through. But look at that. It's showing you how the doors open. It put the fireplace right here. Look, here's the sink. And it shows you stove. I mean, it's the most amazing thing. What's so great about the floor plan is that if you're a buyer and you're trying to figure out, geez, in this living room, can I get my baby grand piano in the living room? Well, you now can, there's a ruler that can come up. It can virtually measure. If we want to get a distance from this point right here to this point, it can do that. So tons of benefits. It's helpful if someone wants to see floor plan, or maybe they're thinking of taking out this wall and they want to open the house up, or whatever they want to do. This technology is great.